Hi, beginning today, I would like to explore a bunch of concepts on music theory. We'll start very simple. We'll start basically with the major scale, how it's constructed, and how you build chords within the scale. The major scale is comprised of two tetrachords. Each tetrachord is built in the following way: whole step, half step. And they sound like this. Then you have a whole step between both tetrachords. Therefore, the scale is this. Then whole step. Notice how they are exactly the same, a fifth away. Now, let's talk about building chords. The most common chords are built in thirds, meaning that if you are following the scale, you skip a note and then you get to the next, which is a third. For example, the first chord would be, then we skip the second, go to the third. Skip the fourth, go to the fifth. And now we have the C major chord. The second chord is beginning on the second degree, on the second note of the scale. We'll do the same concept. Skip, play the third, skip, play the fifth. Now I have this. The triads in the major scale are one in major, two is a minor, three is a minor, four is a major, five is a major, six is a minor, seven is a diminished chord, which is this. Now let's talk about the seventh chords. In jazz, that's usually where most chords begin, at the seventh. Even though the triad is used a lot in different ways, but we're not getting into that today. Let's talk about how to build seventh chords. Basically, what you want to do is to add another third on top of the triad. For example, you are in C major, we had, and now we add the next third. The four-part chords, or seventh chords, in the major scale are the following: major seventh, minor seventh, the third is minor seventh again, the fourth is a major seventh, the five is a dominant chord, the sixth is a minor seventh, and the seventh is half diminished, or minor 7 flat 5. And then goes back to major 7th. I will explore these chords in depth in future videos and tell you what you can do, how to make it work in different contexts.